You know, I'm an engineer. I'm a chemical engineer, and so I like to follow the science on this. We have the CDC right here in Atlanta, Georgia. So the CDC gives us great recommendations, and our county officials also do a good job of explaining the health outcomes and the needs that we have. So I'll be a data-driven scientific mayor that will say, I will push and promote vaccinations across the city for our employees and for the residents of Atlanta, making it easy and convenient for employees to get vaccinations. Thus far, the city employees are right around 70% vaccinated, but there's still 30% more to go. And unfortunately, these unvaccinated individuals are those that are largely in areas like the Department of Public Works and our watershed and our Parks and Rec. And it's really an education and a information lag that they have. So we're now out actually going out trying to make sure that they know the health benefits and the savings that they'll get. We also need to continue to incentivize our employees to get vaccinations by giving them $100 or $250 or whatever it takes to incentivize them to go out and get this vaccine, because it helps us with our healthcare costs. And of course, it helps us to keep employees safe so they can live another day and support their families. Some of the other things that we'll do is to require, testing every 2 weeks, because if you're unvaccinated, we need to also make sure you get tested so that we're going to encourage vaccinations, but we're going to require testing so that we don't get ourselves caught out there where employees are unaware that they're asymptomatic and harming others in the community or on their shift. So we'll do those things. In addition to that, we will spend the money wisely. The American Rescue Plan Act has given Atlanta about $176 million. 88 million we've received already, and then we have another 88 million to go. That money's coming in March, and you will want a mayor that's a good steward of the city's finances that you can trust that will use that money for good. Some of the things that we've earmarked is $20 million for small businesses, nonprofits, and arts. And these are communities that's been hurt in this pandemic. So getting this money directly to them so they can keep paying their employees and go back to work, because the artists have been hurt the most, and so have nonprofits been able to not able to fundraise as well. So we want to do some of those things with the money, but directly to be able to use to curb the crime that we have. Violence prevention, we put, I think, around $5 to $7 million away for violence prevention, and so on and so forth. Various places to use this money to help people stay away from evictions, to have eviction relief, and to just help people be able to get through this pandemic in good order.